I am Muhammad Altaf. I am 7 years old. I am studying second standard. I am coming from Tararadur. My school name is Punjab Union. My school, primary school, Tararadur. I am going to speak about Kamarajar. He was born on 15th July 1903 in Virudhunagar. His father name is Kumarasamy Nadar and his mother name is Sivarani Ammal. In 1920, he joined the Congress Party. He was the CM of Tamil Nadu for 9 years. He reduced midday meal scheme. He awarded Bharat Ratna in 1976. Thank you all.